The Hospitality Career Pathway at Bates Technical College prepares you for a variety of fields in the dynamic culinary arts industry and for advanced education at other culinary institutions. Bates holds the only accreditation from the American Culinary Federation in the South Sound, ensuring that the program meets ACS standards and competencies set for faculty, curriculum, and for supporting our students. Because of this industry accreditation, our graduates are in demand and eligible to receive culinarian certification. Career paths for graduates include dinner cook, institutional cook, cook's helper, baker's helper, line cook, and short order cook. As a student, you'll have the opportunity to apply what you learn in the classroom while working in the dining areas on campus, planning and preparing meals, and catering banquet functions. Our expert culinary arts faculty provides hands-on education in everything from food planning and preparation to serving and cleanup. Graduates receive a broad base of skills and are well prepared for a variety of entry-level culinary jobs. If you have an epicurean passion for baking and cooking and have dreamed of working in the culinary industry, this program is for you. Earn an Associate of Applied Science degree or a certificate while receiving a hands-on education from award-winning instructors. If you're interested in a dynamic career in the culinary arts field, learn more about the Hospitality Career Pathway at Bates Technical College today.